The Little Bird Who Said Thanks. A short moral story. In a quiet forest, a little bluebird named Pip lived high in a tall oak tree. Pip was cheerful and loved to sing, but he never said, "Thank you." When Mama brought him worms, Pip gobbled them up without a word. When the wind rocked him gently to sleep, he just snored. Even when his friend, Squeaky the squirrel, shared his nuts, Pip only chirped and flew away. One day, a storm rolled in. Rain poured and winds howled. Pip's nest shook and tumbled to the ground. Soaked and cold, Pip huddled under a bush. One by one, his forest friends came to help. Mama brought soft leaves, Squeaky shared his warmest acorn bed. Even the wind gently dried his feathers. Pip blinked, overwhelmed. "Why are you helping me?" Squeaky smiled. "Because we care, even if you forget to say thanks." Pip's heart fluttered. "Thank you," he whispered. From then on, Pip said, "Thank you," for every worm, every smile, every breeze. And with every thank you, his world seemed a little brighter. Moral: gratitude turns small acts into big kindnesses. Never forget to say thank you. Thank you for watching.